Hey there, busy friend, ever stare at your kitchen after a long day with the family and think, how did it get this bad again? That greasy stovetop, sticky counters, and grimy sink mocking you, you're not alone. But what if I told you could deep clean your entire kitchen in under 10 minutes flat? No fancy gadgets, just smart hacks using stuff in your pantry. I'm your handy neighbor from Home Hacks Daily, and today we're tackling the kitchen chaos together. Stick around for 8 game-changing tips that save hours weekly. You'll walk away confident with a sparkling space and more family time. Let's dive in. First up, banishing that stovetop grease for good. Pause ready. Picture this, a kitchen that shines without stealing your weekend. That's what these hacks deliver, straightforward, tested methods for real life. We'll cover stovetop degreasing, sink polishing, microwave steaming, cabinet wiping, fridge zapping, floor squeegeeing, grout blasting, and a full shine secret. Each takes 1 minute or less. You'll need basics: vinegar, baking soda, lemon, dish soap. Eco-friendly, cheap, and safe for kids and pets. I've used these in my own home for years, turning chaos into calm effortlessly. Builds that I got this feeling every busy parent craves. Up next, hack 1, the stovetop hack that melts grease like magic. Watch closely, it's a game changer. Pause for excitement build. Hack 1, stovetop savior. That baked-on grease, sprinkle baking soda thickly over the mess. Spray generously with hot white vinegar, watch it fizz and bubble, lifting grime instantly. Let sit 2 minutes. Then scrub gently with a damp microfiber cloth. Rinse and wipe dry. Boom, shiny stovetop in under 60 seconds. No harsh scrapers needed, safe for all surfaces. I do this weekly and it saves me scrubbing forever. Pro tip, for extra tough spots, add a dash of dish soap to the spray. See how easy? Your burners sparkle, ready for next meal prep. Family will notice, but don't stop here, the sink hack is even quicker, coming right up. Pause for demo scrub. Hack 2, sparkling sink shine. Cut a lemon in half, dip in salt, and scrub your sink vigorously. The citric acid cuts grime, salt abrades gently, leaving a fresh scent and shine. For stainless, buff dry with microfiber, no streaks, takes 30 seconds. Your sink goes from dull to dazzling, killing bacteria naturally. I love how it deodorizes too, by funky smells. Perfect post-dinner ritual. Quick win that motivates the whole clean. Feeling empowered yet? Next, the microwave hack that steams away splatters effortlessly. You'll wish you knew this sooner. Let's go! Pause as lemon scrubs, showing transformation. Hack 3, microwave steam clean. Pour 1 cup vinegar water, mix into a bowl, add lemon slices. Microwave 5 minutes, steam loosens every splatter. Let sit 2 mins, wipe with damp cloth. Effortless. No scrubbing, caked on gunk, fresh citrus smell lingers. This is my go-to for explosion aftermaths. Saves time before guests arrive. See the ease, now your appliances gleam. Building momentum, next hack tackles those greasy cabinets that trap fingerprints forever. Stay tuned, pause for microwave run and wipe demo. Hack 4, cabinet grease buster. Mix dish soap with warm water in spray bottle. Mist cabinets, wipe with microfiber, no residue. For tough grease, add baking soda paste first. Dries streak-free. Your kitchen fronts pop like new, quick for daily touch-ups. Kids' prints vanish fast. Efficiency boost, loving these shortcuts? The fridge hack next keeps food fresher longer. Essential for busy meal preppers, here we go. Pause during spray and wipe. Hack 5, fridge quick zap. Spray full-strength vinegar on shelves, let sit 1 min, wipe clean. Neutralizes odors, kills mold spots. Remove drawers for deeper clean if needed, dishwasher safe, fresh fridge in seconds. Prevents waste, saves money, my family's favorite. You're crushing this. Floor hack ahead, turns mopping into a breeze. No buckets required. Excited? Pause for spray and wipe dem. Hack 6, squeegee floor magic. Mop with hot soapy water, then squeegee into drain or towel off. Dries instantly, no puddles, vinegar add in disinfects. Kitchen floor gleams fast, great for high traffic homes. Time saver supreme. Now we're ramping up, the grout blaster will shock you. Advanced territory ahead, pause for mopping dem. Hack 7, grout blaster advanced. Spray 3% hydrogen peroxide on grout, sprinkle baking soda, scrub with toothbrush. Watch it foam and lift years of dirt. Rinse, white grout returns, safe, no bleach fumes. Transforms tired floors, pro move for wow factor. Climax, building the ultimate appliance shine hack next. Your kitchen's about to level up big time, pause for fizz and scrub. Hack 8, appliance showtime. Dab olive oil on microfiber, buff stainless steel, smudge-free shine lasts weeks, repels fingerprints. Challenge time, chain these hacks stovetop to floors in 10 minutes total. Timer starts now, see. Done, your kitchen glows, you saved hours. Feeling like a pro? Recap coming to lock it in. Pause for polish demo and quick montage. Quick recap, 1 baking soda fizz on stovetop. 2 lemon salt sink scrub, 3 vinegar steam microwave, 4 soapy spray cabinets, 5 vinegar zap fridge, 6 squeegee floors, 7 peroxide grout blast, 8 oil polish appliances. These hacks cut cleaning time by 80% using pantry staples, reliable for your lifestyle, quick, effective, confidence boosting. Imagine more playtime, less chores, you've got the tools now. Almost done. One last push for your home hack journey. Pause, reflecting on shine. There you have it, your kitchen transformed, life simplified. These hacks aren't just tips, they're your new routine for efficient home bliss. Try one tonight, thank me later. Loved this? Subscribe to Home Hacks Daily for weekly time savers. Hit like, comment your fave hack below, share with a busy friend. Notifications on for more DIY gold. You've earned that relaxed evening, go enjoy it. Thanks for joining, see you next hack.